Hello everyone, in this video I'm doing a review of SEO software SE ranking. I will be covering how to set up a project, main features of SE ranking which includes mobile and desktop ranking, SEO audit, keyword research, monitor page changes, SEO plan, and finally score given by us. So let's start. Right now we are at website of SE ranking. Let's go to dashboard. So we are right now on the dashboard of SE ranking. Let's create a project. Enter your website. So my website is webdesignpros.com.au. Let's make it more fancy. Web Design Pros. Search range 100 is fine. Click next. Here you can add your keywords, and you can also import your keywords through Google Search Console or Google Analytics. So at this moment I will just put keywords manually. Web design Adelaide, web design company, website design. So you can add your keywords manually over here. And then add keywords. So now your keywords are added. Click on next. Now you can add search engine. So Google is a must. So Google is fine. Select your location. So I will add the Adelaide is a city where I want to rank. So include Google Maps. So that is fine. You can also enter your name of business. So that is Web Design Pros. I can also write the company number, so that is fine. Google Ads ranking, so I don't want to track Google Ads ranking, so that is pretty good feature. So you can add search engine. You can also add other search engine, for example like Yahoo or Google Mobile, so that is pretty interesting. So I will just go with this one. Click next. Add competitors. So so this is pretty interesting that you can suggest you competitors. So let's see. So these are pretty much my competitors, so this feature is pretty good. Add competitors. So you can see that it has made your life very easier. It can detect competitors for you. You don't have to enter them manually, so that is pretty amazing. Click next. And here you can connect to Google Analytics or Google Search Console. So I'm not sure if it is linked. So it is right now, it says it is linked, so that is pretty good. So you can connect with Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So after connecting with Google Search Console, I will click on finish. So now it will track your mobile and desktop ranking. It also gives you traffic forecast. So these features are pretty interesting. They are even better than SEMrush and Ahrefs. They truly are. So so right now it will take some time. So let's see if it has detected some rankings. Let's go to the project. Web Design Pros. So right now it is updating. It is showing that currently it is not ranking, and it is right now updating. So that is pretty interesting. And it also saves a history what you were ranking before. For example, let me show you an old project. So here you can see that it is tracking your ranking every single day. So that is pretty interesting. And even Href or SEMrush, it is does not have this kind of feature. So it is very unique, and you can track your rankings every single day, and you have a history of your ranking. So when your ranking was dropped, and you can easily track your website changes. So that is amazing feature. So another amazing feature is SEO audit. In SEO audit, it will give you a comprehensive overview. What are the errors on your website and what errors can be fixed. It is also giving you a Moz DA, so that is pretty good. And here it is telling me what are the issues. For example, it is saying 6 pages with duplicate content, and it is telling me the pages which has duplicate content and how can I fix them. So that is pretty interesting. So you can see that you may have seen these features in SEMrush, and it is also telling us how you can fix them. So it is very similar to what we have in SEMrush, and it is very detailed. Every single thing, every single error is mentioned. What are the important fixes that you need to do? So this feature is very amazing. Now I will go to the keyword research, the third main feature of this software. So everybody says that Ahrefs has the best keyword research tool. So, but after using this one, I think this is pretty much close to what we have in Ahrefs. So for example, let me search for this keyword, and it is also giving me keyword difficulty, search volume, CPC. This CPC is more accurate than Ahrefs. It is also giving me similar keywords, related keywords, low search volume, what advertisers are bidding on this keyword. So these detailed information is pretty interesting. And let me go to the fourth main feature, which is monitor page changes. So it is very unique. Let me go to the home page. So page changes monitoring. So here you can add your website, and it will monitor what changes you have done on your website. So for example, let me select a website over here. I'm not sure if I'm on the right side. All right, now I am. So here you can add your website page, and it will keep a track of what changes you have done on your website and how these changes are impacting your ranking. So this is pretty interesting tool, and you will have a complete history of your website changes. And in this way, if your website is impacted, you can go back and see what changes impacted that specific ranking, or which changes you have done, and which made your website jump from 5 to 1. So this is pretty interesting tool, and I haven't seen this tool in other SEO softwares, so I found it very useful. So another fifth feature that is really interesting is SEO plan. So let me find the SEO plan. So here's a marketing plan. So here it tells you that what things you can do. For example, it says step 1, analyze competitor keywords. So when you have done these things, you can click on this thing. It will tell you all the things. What is keyword planner? It is very good tool for beginners. So after you have done this part, you can just click on this thing that you have done it, and then collect core keywords, then click yes, I have done it. So in this way you have an entire marketing plan, and this is just a task list, and you can also add your own tasks. So this is pretty interesting tool for beginners as well as for advanced level marketers, and they have made it very easy for you. So in the end, I will give this software a score of 4.7 out of 5. And I think UI can be a little bit improved. Other than that, it is very feature rich SEO software, and it's like a Swiss Army knife of SEO softwares. And also it is easy on pocket. It is cheaper than SEMrush and Ahrefs, and it has all the features of Ahref and SEMrush, so it is pretty cool. So if you want to try this software, I will leave a link on this video, and you can download, you can easily sign up for 14 days trial and try it, and if you like it, you can purchase it. So I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.